Okay, here's today's job. We got a 525i here, 2003, and we've got, let's see, 4 codes in it, Misfire Codes. Cylinder 4, 5, 3, and 1. We've been working on it for a couple hours now, and what we've done up here under the hood is replace the oil separator and the 3 or 4 hoses that go with it. So we hope that that's going to fix it. We're going to clear the codes. We've seen it do it before. The hoses crack and they get vacuum lines on, vacuum leaks. So we're going to drive the car and see if the codes come back, and we don't expect them to, but there it is, another fixed car.